Just be going for the kid. Pop out, be acting, I'm for the kid. Right now when you're pushing me, putting me in said you wanted to love me, but why does even relevant? So that got me feeling things that I owed you wrong, and I like got me in my feelings, I know how much